Let me ask you a question. Does your bank let you make money in two places at once? Let me tell you how the Rockefellers, Disney, and many other families perpetuate their wealth. Meet Tom. He's looking to invest in a real estate deal, so he heads down to his local bank. Tom meets the banker and hands over his $100,000. He receives the usual 1% return. Tom proceeds to purchase a rental for $70,000 in cash that returns 15%, but his remaining balance of $30,000 is making him less than 1% in interest. Luckily, Tom hears about another bank. Let me explain how the same transaction would work through a dual-interest bank. Tom takes his $100,000 and purchases the same $70,000 property, receiving a 15% return on his real estate. However, Tom finds out that he will still be able to make an 8% return on the full $100,000 because he is able to take the $70,000 out as a loan, thus keeping his money working for him inside the dual-interest bank and working for him in his real estate purchase. Tom's money is now working smarter by working in two places at once. For more information about the dual-interest bank, click the link in the description below.